Now let's look at the Sent tab in the epicSnap mobile web app. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. First, tap the Sent tab at the top left of the screen. This tab helps you track and manage review requests that have already been sent to your customers. Each row in this list shows important details about the request. You'll see the recipient's email address, the order number, and the delivery date. If the order was added manually, the delivery date may appear as NA, since only the customer's name and email are entered for manual orders. On the left side of each row, you'll also notice a thin color bar. This color helps you quickly identify how the request was sent. A gray bar means the email was sent without an image, while a blue bar means the request was sent with an image attached. It's also helpful to know that emails listed in this tab are automatically removed after 30 days, helping keep the list clean and easy to manage. If you'd like to manage a request, tap the three-dot menu in the Actions column. If the request was sent without an image, you'll see two options. You can tap Resend to send the same email template again to the recipient, or tap Delete to remove the record from the list. If the request was sent with an image, you'll have an additional option. Along with Resend and Delete, you'll also see Edit. Tap Edit if you'd like to update the attached image. You can retake a photo or upload a new one. Then choose Resend Now to send the updated request. If you decide not to proceed, tap Cancel to exit without making changes. While the request is being resent, you'll see a message letting you know the email is in progress. Please stay on the screen until the success confirmation message appears. This ensures the updated review request is delivered successfully. And that's how you can track and manage your sent review requests in the Sent tab. For any questions or assistance, just click the menu and tap the Help Center. Epic is here to support you every step of the way. And if you'd like a guided walkthrough or extra support, you can reach our team anytime at support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to assist you.